How to fix Telegram download stuck. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings. Go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is click on Telegram and then click on this option right here. As you can see, it's called force stop, and then go here to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled like this. Go back and click on the data usage and make sure that all these options are enabled like this exactly. Go back again, and last thing you want to do is click on the storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Now all what you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much.